We have to keep talking about these issues and face the realities, but we also want to talk about solutions and talk about healing.
From the very beginning, we've taken the posture that we need to touch as many police departments as possible. And so beginning in August, we began talking with the Department of Justice and with the President about the need to use our leverage of federal dollars, the nearly $1 billion in grants that we give to police departments every year, to condition those grants on activities that will change the culture of policing in this country.
The media has presented this issue most recently as a black and white issue. We know that's not the case. We know all across this country we have Asian Americans facing tension with police at times, Latino communities facing tension with police at times. And as we now see what we know exists, we're hopeful that together, we can focus on the healing that needs to be done and the conversations that need to happen. And why? Because at the end of the day, everything that's going on traumatizes children.
The entire nation is speaking to law enforcement very loudly about changing the way we do business and how we look when we do that business. The optics of policing are just as important as the actual strategic platform that your agency employs. So one of the things that I believe most strongly in is that we become guardians in our communities and not warriors.
The mind sciences have given us a new set of tools to first help understand how it is that people can consciously think that they've rejected racism and all that it stands for, but behaviorally still be engaging in practices that have the effect of criminalizing our children in schools, that have the effect of killing young people on the streets or harming people in the streets, or again, putting young people of color in jail for things that white kids in the suburbs do with maybe a slap on the wrist. The mind sciences help us understand how this can be so.
Public safety is not just about the absence of crime, it's about the presence of justice.
There is a need for police work, there really is. But we should be in the business of lifting people up, not locking them up. And until we do that well, we are always going to have that model where we think we have to arrest our way out of crime.